Are you looking for ways to achieve short-term income? Well, you're in the right place. In the world of investments, there are numerous avenues to explore, each with its own potential benefits. Today, we're delving into the exciting realm of short-term investments. We will be discussing 15 types of investments that can help you generate income in a relatively short time frame. These range from traditional options to more contemporary strategies. So, if you want to boost your income in the short term, stay tuned. First, consider high-yield savings accounts. These are specialized accounts offered by banks and credit unions that pay higher interest rates than regular savings accounts. They're an appealing option for short-term income as they offer guaranteed returns with minimal risk. However, they often require larger initial deposits and maintain higher minimum balances. Additionally, access to your funds may be more restricted. Despite these factors, high-yield savings accounts can be a safe and reliable way to earn income. Another option is investing in certificates of deposit. These are time-bound savings accounts offered by banks with a fixed interest rate. You deposit a sum and agree not to touch it for a certain period, earning interest in return. They can be a steady source of short-term income, particularly for those who prefer low-risk investments. But remember, your money is tied up for the term of the certificate, and early withdrawal often incurs penalties. Certificates of deposit can be a low-risk investment with guaranteed returns. Next, take a look at short-term bond funds. These are portfolios of bonds with maturities that typically span 1 to 5 years. Investors flock to them for their potential to generate income, but it's crucial to remember they're not without risk. Interest rates can influence the fund's value. If rates rise, the fund value may decline. However, the shorter the bond's maturity, the less sensitive it is to rate changes. In essence, short-term bond funds can provide income with relatively low risk. Peer-to-peer lending is another interesting option. This modern form of lending allows individuals to lend and borrow money directly from each other, bypassing traditional financial institutions. It's a dynamic marketplace that can generate short-term income, particularly for lenders. Interest rates are typically higher than banks, leading to potentially greater returns. However, it's important to remember that with these higher returns comes increased risk, as the possibility of borrower default is a reality. Peer-to-peer lending can offer high returns, but it also comes with higher risk. Real estate crowdfunding is worth considering. It's a way to pool resources, allowing multiple investors to put their money together to fund real estate projects, from commercial buildings to residential properties. This opens the door to property investment without needing colossal capital. The income generated can be substantial, but it's crucial to remember that real estate markets can fluctuate. Like any investment, there are risks. However, with careful selection and sound understanding, real estate crowdfunding can offer attractive returns, but it's not without risk. Treasury inflation-protected securities, or TIPS, are another option. These unique securities have their principal adjusted with inflation, as measured by the Consumer Price Index. This means that if inflation rises, so will the value of your TIPS. However, while this can provide a steady stream of income, the returns are often modest, especially in low inflation environments. So it's essential to weigh the potential benefits against the possible drawbacks. TIPS can provide a hedge against inflation, but they may not offer the highest returns. Money market funds are also worth considering. These funds invest in highly liquid short-term instruments like treasury bills and commercial paper. They are designed for stability, offering a safe place to park cash while earning a modest return. However, like any investment, there are risks. The main one is interest rate risk. As rates rise, the value of the fund can decrease. But despite this, money market funds can offer stability and liquidity, but they often have lower returns. Municipal bonds can be a good option for short-term income. These bonds are issued by cities, municipalities, and states to finance public projects. Investors lend their money in return for periodic interest payments and the return of the principal at maturity. Their appeal? The interest earned is often exempt from federal, state, and local taxes, but caution is advised. Like all investments, municipal bonds carry risks. including credit risk and interest rate risk. Municipal bonds can provide tax-free income, but they come with certain risks. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are another option to consider. Essentially, REITs are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate across a range of property sectors. They work by pooling the resources of many investors, allowing individuals to earn dividends from real estate investments without having to buy, manage, or finance any properties themselves. However, while REITs can provide a steady income stream, they are not without risk, as they are subject to real estate market fluctuations. Trading commodities is another way to generate short-term income. Essentially, commodity trading is the buying and selling of goods such as gold, oil, or coffee on a commodities exchange. Traders aim to buy commodities at a low price and sell them when the price increases, creating potential for profit. However, this method isn't without its risks. Just as prices can rise, they can also plummet, leading to potential losses. Commodity trading can offer high returns, but it's also high risk. Cryptocurrency trading is another high-risk, high-reward option. It's a digital or virtual form of currency, secured by cryptography, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit. Traders buy and sell these virtual coins, aiming to profit from market fluctuations. Short-term income can be generated from day trading or swing trading strategies. However, the crypto market can be highly unpredictable, susceptible to sudden price swings. So, while the potential for profit is substantial, it's crucial to remember that losses can be equally significant. Cryptocurrency trading can offer significant returns, but it's also highly volatile. Dividend stocks can provide a steady stream of income. You might be wondering, what are they exactly? Well, they're shares in a company that pays out a portion of its profits to shareholders. That could be you. These payments, known as dividends, can be a reliable source of income. But here's a word of caution. Like any investment, dividend stocks come with their fair share of risks, primarily market volatility. So, while dividend stocks can offer regular income, they are subject to market volatility. Entrepreneurship can be a rewarding way to generate income. It's all about creating value by identifying needs in the market and finding innovative solutions. Whether it's a tech startup or a local coffee shop, the potential for short-term income exists. However, it's not without its challenges: securing initial funding, navigating market uncertainties, and outmaneuvering competition. It demands dedication, resourcefulness, and resilience. Yet for those who dare to tread this path, the rewards can be immense. Entrepreneurship can offer significant returns, but it requires hard work and carries risk. Finally, digital marketing is a modern way to generate short-term income. Through strategies like search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email marketing, businesses can reach a wider audience and increase their sales. It's not just about posting ads online, it's about creating meaningful connections with your audience. However, digital marketing can be a challenging field. It requires staying updated with the latest trends and understanding consumer behavior. Despite the challenges, with the right skills and knowledge, digital marketing can be lucrative. So there you have it. 15 types of investments for short-term income. From high-yield savings accounts to the dynamic world of digital marketing, each offers unique opportunities for profit. However, it's important to remember that with potential returns come inherent risks. Whether it's trading commodities, investing in real estate crowdfunding, or even starting your own venture, understanding these risks is vital. Remember, the best investment for you depends on your individual circumstances and risk tolerance. Always do your research before making an investment decision.